You. Look at his little finger. You. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Happy Friday, you guys. It is bright and early Friday morning, and I don't have work today, but I have an appointment to go to, so I'm actually heading out to do that right now. But Tyler also don't have daycare today, but Jen is going to keep him for me until I go to this appointment and get back, which is very sweet of her. So I'm going to drop Tyler off at Jen's house right now and head to my appointment, and then I pick him up back a little bit later. Come here, baby. So we are all ready. Baby's also off to work. Come here. With his little cute self. Say morning, Faves. How are you? I am going to Auntie Jen's house.
Auntie Jen's house.
Yeah, and you're gonna have fun with Auntie Jen until Mama gets back.
Mama gets back.
Yeah, you're gonna be a good boy.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's watching Dora. Anyway, you guys, make sure you guys have a wonderful day. And even though Mel didn't get her workout in this morning because it's bright and early in the morning, make sure you guys get your workout in. Just do something. Look at this sweet handsome boy. Look at Mama lips. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna head out right now to go and catch the bus before this Mama is late for her appointment. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Come on, let's go. Put on your jacket. Let's put on your jacket. Yes. 21.
22.
Yeah.
23. 24. 25. 26.
This one.
27. 28. 29.
Wow. You say taunt. I said taunt. 30. 31.
31.
Yes.
32. 33.
Lord, you guys, I went to my appointment and got back to Jen to pick up Tyler, and we're just here gallivanting as usual.
37.
Jen, say hi.
Hi. 30.
Tyler is here.
Tyler, what's next?
Making Jen act a fool as usual. 30, 50. 30, 50. I carry Tyler picture cards and he insisted that he want numbers. So I have to pull out a book with number for him.
Good boy. Give me 5. Yes.
Hey guys, see my face? This is a rested face. Tyler and I have been home just chilling and resting up. And... Yes, baby? What you doing? Paw Patrol car? Where's Paw Patrol car? You guys, you see outside? It's been raining. It's so dark outside and it's just almost 5. It's very dark. It looks bright from the lighting, but it's dark outside and it's also raining right now. It's raining, yes? Oh, you want to do the fireman? Okay, so do it. Guess what Mama is making in the kitchen? You hear that? Shh, shh. You hear that? Guess what Mama is making? Mama is making popcorn. You want popcorn? Mama, listen. Popcorn. Come, let me show you popcorn. So I feel for some snack and I said, you know what, let me make something Tyler's gonna enjoy. So we're actually popping popcorn. I'm not popping the natural popcorn, I'm popping the popcorn already in the back. There it is. Don't stand so close to the microwave. You see it? Ooh.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
Mama.
Yes.
Close the door.
Close the door. The door is already closed. Good job. Oh, you closed the door. Good job. Thank you.
Close the door.
Yeah. Popcorn's ready. Look at him. He's so excited. Oh, go sit. But I think you're gonna need your water, honey. Look at him. He already take his seat. Popcorn. Oh lordy, put it here. So we're going to sit and chill and eat popcorn, right?
Oh, it's so.
Say sure. Yes, it is hot, so you have to be very careful, okay? Okay? It's yummy. It's yummy. Say thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, Boo Boo. You. Mama gonna catch you. You're so silly. I'm pointing my finger at Tyler and he just starts cracking up like this. Once I point my finger at him, he's just cracking up. Look at him. He's watching Alvin and the Chipmunks and he saw Alvin go like this. So I started go like this and he's just cracking up. He's so funny. You're so funny. Look at you. Look. Look at him. You. Look at his little finger. You. You. Ah! You. What are you doing? What are you doing? You look like he's gonna. Ah! I was just about to say the way he's swinging his finger, it seems like he's gonna hit me in my face, and the word didn't came out. Bloom. You hit Mama? That was an accident. It's okay. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. It's just an accident. It wasn't intentional. The popcorn is finished. Yes, you ate it all off. No. You went to Auntie Jen's house today. You want to go to Auntie Jen's house again? You're gonna see Auntie Jen tomorrow. Remember, you're going to see her tomorrow. Yes, he loves his Auntie Jen, you guys. You gonna see Auntie Jen tomorrow? Yes, you're gonna see Auntie Jen tomorrow. Yeah, excited to see Auntie Jen tomorrow. You're going to put on your shoes? Not now, tomorrow.
Mama.
Yes. You found a popcorn. You found a lost treasure. You found a lost treasure? He said. Delicious. He said delicious. That means delicious in French. Yes.
Popcorn is finished.
Yes, the popcorn is finished. It's Friday night, you guys. So it's dinner. It's plantain and turkey for dinner. And I'm making it just in time because baby's on his way home. He should be home any minute, and I want him to have the plantains hot. So that's what's going down right now. Dinner for the fam bam. For the fam bam. It's Friday night's jam. Dinner is done, and I squeezed some fresh orange juice from that to this. And guess who is home just in time for dinner? Who is home just in time for dinner?
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
You guys, baby's home just in time for dinner.
8 p.m. Had a hard day, had a hard and long day, but that was okay. That was okay. It's a headache as usually, but when you come home and you see this in front of you, you just can be happy. So I'm happy right now.
All right, it's time to go. You guys, it's about after 9 now, and Tyler is still up. And the Jamaican expression for today is butu.
Butu?
Yes.
What it mean?
A butu is a person who don't know how to act. Person who don't have any social class. So you take somebody out into you take somebody out on a date, and they're eating and chopping their mouth like, and their foot open wide, and they're loud, and they're just doing all the things that they're not supposed to do. They don't know how to have any table manners. They don't know how to have any manners at all. You see what I mean?
Okay, butu.
A butu is somebody who have no social class, don't know how to act. Yes. You don't want to be a butu, and you really don't want to go on a date with a butu. They'll embarrass you. Tyler, say butu.
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 Yes.
You say it's so cute.
Butu. Butu. Butu.
Butu.
Tyler,
Yes.
you want to know what is the French expression for tonight?
Yes.
It's not gonna be an expression tonight. It's just gonna be a word. The French word for today
So what you
is cheveux. Cheveux simply mean hair. She always talk about her hair that you need to do that and need to do that. So that's the French word.
And you need to get that word so you can stop touch my hair.
Cheveux. I will forever touch your hair. I love to do that.
Cheveux.
I need the one.
Tyler, cheveux.
Cheveux.
Nice, Tyler, you're my buddy. Good job.
Anyway, you guys, there you guys have the French and the Jamaican expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Anyway, you guys, we are about to head into the bed. Yes, Tyler. Ah? Yes. Yes, baby, puzzle. Anyway, you guys, he's
Tyler
gonna
is
chat
into
us
the
out.
puzzle.
And we are heading to bed right now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's little vlog. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if it's your first time watching, please don't leave and don't subscribe. subscribe and turn on the notification. That way you'll catch all of the yumminess that's coming your way from our fam bam. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Say bye, Fibs.
Bye.
Tomorrow.